Good afternoon, Steady Trade Treats listeners. First of all, I just want to say happy holidays. You know, we're getting ready for that Christmas season. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and for those of you that celebrate it, happy Thanksgiving. And at the very least, I hope you get to spend some time with your family. As you know, we have Thanksgiving Day off from trading, and we also have a half day on Friday, if I'm correct. So it's definitely going to be a shortened week from here on out, after today anyways. So I just kind of want to talk about my thoughts on the market so far. Yesterday, we saw the EV market and even the energy stocks, you know what I mean? The Solos, the F cells, they finally had the real first red day, in my opinion, you know. But I don't think this run is over, guys. These first red days that we saw, I'm looking at the NIO chart right now even, because so far that has kind of been the leader for the small cap EVs. They haven't really been following Tesla all too well. Tesla's been a beast of its own. But normally on a real first red day, you see that massive volume come in. And we haven't really seen overwhelming volume. Now, I could be wrong here, because even if I'm looking at Solo, right, SOLO, which is kind of in the penny stock leader of the EVs, that wick up near 14 on the really extended day of the run, that did have a lot of volume, possibly blow off top level volume. But I find it really hard to believe that this is the end of everything. I think they have a pullback and some consolidation, but I wouldn't be surprised, you know, in December as the market heats up anyways, to see these start running again, or maybe like I think I mentioned a few episodes ago, or an episode ago, possible subsequent sectors butting off of this EV and energy sector run. I just, you know, I think because we're coming into this hot time in the market, maybe it's not the EV stocks, but very well, it could be them again. They could heat up for a second time. And I'm going to be very interested. I don't know if this is going to be the end all be all back down to lows by any means, and maybe they never go back down to lows. But if you're a short, I know you won yesterday. Congratulations if you hit any of those moves. I know a lot of shorts struggled for the past week or two because everything's been straight up. But be careful, because this is still a very, very, very hot sector overall. I mean, things are up 300, 400, 500% from lows, regardless, even after that first red day. So really, really be cautious. And I want to know your guys' thoughts. Is the EV and energy run that we saw the past few weeks, is that going to spark a subsequent sector coming into December? Or, you know, if we have another hot market in December, January, is it going to be a market of its own? I'm really curious, and I know Bitcoin is running. I think there are going to be a lot of Bitcoin-related plays in the next few weeks, maybe month or two, as it looks like Bitcoin is going to break out. I've got no clue, though, and I know these are all guessing games, but I'm really curious on your guys' guesses. What is the next hot runner going to be? What kind of sector is it? So let me know in the comments down below. And guys, like I said, have a really happy Thanksgiving. I will be back here possibly on Friday, we'll see. But at the very least, enjoy that time with your family, and hopefully you're eating good, guys. We will see you then. Happy Thanksgiving.